Hello, this is Smarto Day and welcome to my lessons, SD Lessons. Let me start with percentage. Now, this is very important for everyone. Whether you're doing business, whether you're working somewhere, whether you are a student and you want to calculate your percent, everyone wants to know in terms of percent nowadays. Business made a profit of 10%, shares has gone up to 18%, GST is 18%. So you will hear most of the time people are talking about percent. So we need to know what is percent and how to calculate. So let's see. First of all, per means out of 1 and cent means 100 out of 100. So if someone gets 3 out of 4, that's a fraction. Or someone gets 2, that is 2 out of 1. Or someone gets 0.1. How do we get into percentage? It's very simple. Shortcut technique only I show you. 3 out of 4, the first one, I am showing you this one, the first one. 3 out of 4, just multiply by 100. 4 ones are 4, 25s are 25 into 3, you get 75, so that is 75%. 3 out of 4 means 75%. What about 2, the second one? Look at this one. 2 multiply by 100, that means 200%. So 2 out of 1 means 2 out of 1, that is 200%. What about the third one? 0.1 decimal into percent, just multiply by 100 and you get 1 0 10%. So what I have done is, no matter what you are given, if you are given a fraction, multiply by 100, you get the percentage. If you are given a pure number, 2 means 2 out of 1, multiply by 100 and you get the percentage here. You get a decimal number, multiply by 100 and you get the percentage here. So just multiply by 100 and you get the percentage. Let's see some other examples. Suppose it is given 0.0045. How much is this in percentage? Multiply by 100. 1, 2, decimal comes here. 0.45%. So that's fairly easy. What about this one? Suppose someone gives you 4.5. How much percent? Multiply by 100. So you get 450%. What about 2.5? 2.5 means 5 by 2. It's a fraction. Multiply by 100. You get 250%. Just multiply by 100 and you get decimal of fraction and you get percentage straight away. But if you are given percentage and you are asked to get it in fraction, then what will you do? Or percentage and asked to get into decimal, given 10% and asked to get it in decimal, then in that case you have to divide all by 100. All this, if it is given in percentage and you are asked to get in fraction or in decimal, you just have to divide by 100 in that case. So now let me change the page and show you. Well, now I have taken two examples, just the reverse of what we have done now. Percentage to decimal of fraction. What I said, 75%. If you want to get it into fraction or decimal, just divide by 100. So you got fraction. If you want to get it in decimal, so it will be 0.75. Why? 1, 2. So you got it, 0.75 in decimal or 0.75, or in fraction you get 75 by 100, or you can reduce to lowest term, you can get it 3 by 4. Okay, let's see the next one. 7.5%, so divide by 100, how much you get? Decimal 1 2, so you get 0.075, 0.075, 0.075. Okay, so that is in decimal. But if you wish to make it in fraction, you get it how much? 75 by 1000. You with 25 threes, 25 40, 3 by 40 in fraction. So that is fairly simple. Let me take one more example. A difference, suppose if it is given, find out 40% of rupees, say 50,000. How will you do? 40% means 40 upon 100 into 50,000. 10 10 10 10. 40 into 500, you get 1 2 3 and 20, so you get 20,000 rupees. That's simple, isn't it? So one more example, let me show you one more example, just a little different one. Let me change the page. Okay, now let me explain you this one. 20% of a value which is not given to you, but the answer is 20% of that value is 4,000. Suppose if it is given in this way, then how do you solve? Let this value be x. You can write this value as x, which is not known to us. That's the convention. Like mainly whenever we don't know anything, let it be x, we write. So 20% of x is 4,000. Now what do you do? Write 20% means 20 upon 100. Of x means into x equals 4,000. You write. Now cross multiply, x is equal to 4,000. Where will go 100 go? 100 will go on top and 20 will come down. So it will be 100 on top and 20 down. Cross multiply. Now you cancel 1 0 1 0. 2 goes 200 times. So that gives you, no sorry, 1 0 1 0. Then 2 goes 2 0 0. Fine, that's fine. How much do you get? Multiply 2 0 0 0 0. So we got 20,000. That means 20% of 20,000. This is 20,000. That means 20% of rupees 20,000, you get how much? 4,000. This is how you have to solve it. Okay, I think you liked it, children. I am leaving today. Bye bye.